Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Subway wrap from Subway. It's one of their new wraps, and it's the chicken honey mustard wrap. And I tried it already once off camera, and it was delicious, and I liked it. So I'm gonna try it for you guys. See the nice chicken, and it's got lettuce, tomato, and I add black olives. Mmm. It also comes with honey mustard sauce, and it's supposed to come with onions, no black olives, but onions. But I don't like onions, so I do black olives. So, and usually I want lots more honey mustard, but they said with these wraps they'll come out from the bottom and stuff. So I just let them put the amount they want, but I have an extra little bit of honey mustard stuff that I can dip my stuff into, which I'm gonna do right now. Oh shoot! And all the stuff just came out of it. Let me just get the stuff back in here. Mm. 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 Very good. Mm. 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 So, it's a delicious wrap. It's one of their new ones. They have, I think, 3 or 4 more wraps left that are new. I know one was a chicken salad wrap. Um, and then uh, another one was a turkey avocado wrap. That one sounded pretty good. I almost did that one. Um, and yeah. The wraps come with cheese. I think the last time I did it, I got, yeah, sorry, starting to leak. Last time I did it, um, I got American cheese, and this time it comes with shredded cheese, like Monterey, Jack cheese. Um, so I got that instead this time, but I just got, I mean, it's good. I love this. I mean, I must like it so much that I had gotten it again. And stuff, so that tells you this is my honey mustard stuff. That tells you that it's good. I know there's been a fairly good amount of time since I did this, and I did put a video out explaining why and what was going on. He's doing a lot better, and is getting to enjoy where he's living. But everything's going good. Hope everything's going good for other people. Mm. That was very good. I have another half, which I'll eat here in a minute, and everything. But I decided to have with my snack, or with my meal, popcorn that I got from the grocery store. And so I like to have usually a sandwich and some either chips or popcorn. And popcorn sounds good because I was up at the care center with my dad, and he went and listened to this guy sing. It was kind of like their happy hour up there, and so he so we were up there, and he got popcorn while he was out there, and that was really cool. So what made me want to have popcorn? So and stuff. So, but my day's going good today. A lot less stress than I was when I went than last week or the week before. Dealing with that, it's been, kind of like a hard situation. And everything, so, but we're getting through it, and it's just a process that's going to take quite a while. Sorry, I like popcorn a lot. But I'll get back to the sandwich. Sandwich wrap, whatever you call it. So the reason they put this more this paper is because at the end of it, the bottom of it comes out. There's a bunch of stuff that drips out, and so, and they ask you, have you ever had a wrap? And everything, and you have to say, yes, I have, or no, I haven't. And if you haven't, they explain how to eat the wrap. So, I've been watching on YouTube. I'm really into this series called Gordon Ramsay, Hell's Kitchen, and it's really interesting. He makes really good chefs out of people, but there are some terrible ones out there that even though and they don't get tons of chefs, like professional chefs on there, or something, but and stuff, and they'll get like people that have never cooked before in there, and of course they don't last long, but you know, some do, some don't, but yeah, it's amazing. It's really funny when they knock out an executive chef, because you're like, wait a minute, you should know a lot of stuff about cooking. You're an executive chef of a restaurant, you should know this, you know, but even some of those people drop, and it's amazing. This is the best wrap I've ever had. Not usually when I order from Subway, I get sandwiches, but I saw these wraps and I thought, nope, I'm gonna try them. See how delicious they look. So, I would say if you ever go to a Subway and you're looking for something like not with a lot of bread, I'd go with the wraps. They're not bad. So, but I'm gonna cut it off here. My stomach is actually getting full. So I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to let you go, and I hope you had a wonderful time listening and watching me eat my wrap from Subway. If you like this, comment, subscribe, and hit the like button. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.